Morning, family. Ham's Loft, 7 something in the morning. Just it didn't rain last night. Just look at the sky. No sun. A lot of dark clouds. Don't make no sense for me to try and toss them. I think I had tossed them almost 14 days straight. I looked at. I think it's about right at 14 or 12 days straight. They're gonna give it a break today. We're gonna go ahead and loft fly 'em. I know they're ready to come out anyway. Oh, I got one didn't fly. Let me get the rest of them out. They normally take right off. Let's go. Oh, got a roof lander. Let me get my flag out. Okay, I got 35 up in the sky. One didn't come home yesterday. It's a good day. I don't trust him. I got the little flight inside the loft. Like I said, I got 35 flying. I was one short. I didn't trust him, so I got my little flag out. I didn't want him to land yet. So I'm 35 strong right now. I just wanted to get them out before the rain comes. It is a nice little wind. This is the first loft flying about. Of course, I've been loft flying them since I've been on vacation on the around 5:30 or something like that in the evening. Let them out, let them do whatever they want to do. I ain't gonna keep you looking at a bird flying around in circles. We're gonna make this a short one. I'm gonna keep my flag, stay out here for at least an hour to make sure they stay up in the air. All right, comment, subscribe. Birds out for a loft flying right before the rain. Peace.